how to read Facebook Messenger messages without being seen. So what you need to do is open your Messenger application and log in on the account, and then tap on the menu bar. Here, tap on the gear icon. After tapping on it, just scroll down a bit, and on Preferences, tap on Privacy and Safety. Under Privacy and Safety, scroll down to last, and you can see under What People See, Read Receipts. Tap on it. Here you can see Show Read Receipts option with a total. And under there is written people will be able to see when you've read their messages. If the option is on, people will be able to see that you've read their messages. But if you don't want people to know, you just can simply turn off the option, and thereby the people won't know if you've read their messages. And also, you also won't be able to see if they have read your messages or not. So if you want to turn it back on, you may just follow the steps again and just tap on the total option and turn it on. So in this way, within some steps, you can read Facebook Messenger messages without being seen or with being seen. So thank you for watching this video, and I hope this video was helpful to you.